Hey everybody, today I'm going to share with you how to make a 100% pure glass of tart cherry juice concentrate. Today we received an email from Joanne out of Kansas City, Missouri, and her email asked, I really enjoy your tart cherry juice concentrate, but how do I make a 100% glass of just tart cherry juice? You know, Joanne, that's a great question. And today we're going to learn how to make a 100% pure glass of tart cherry juice. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the Fruit Advantage tart cherry juice concentrate. Take 2 tablespoons of the Fruit Advantage cherry juice concentrate. 1, 2. Add 7 ounces of water. Stir. And that's going to make 100% pure cherry juice. And the nice thing about the Fruit Advantage cherry juice concentrate, it's the only one in the industry that offers a sediment-free guarantee, a free flow guarantee. And what that means is you're not going to have any sedimentation that builds up in the bottom of this bottle. And to you, what that's going to mean is you're going to have a 100% pure glass of juice, which is a free flow. There's going to be no floaties, nothing in that. And you know what? Let me show you exactly what I mean by having a 100% pure free flow guarantee. As you can see by the bottom of this bottle, there's nothing in there but cherry juice concentrate. Nothing. Nada. Zippo. And it's in a glass bottle, so you don't have to worry about any plastic leaching. But again, just take a look at the bottom of this. There's no sedimentation. There's no buildup. There's nothing in this bottle other than the cherry juice. That's why we're the only one that offers a sediment-free guarantee. And proof is in the cherry juice. 0 sediment-free. 0 sedimentation, 100% pure, sediment-free guarantee. So thanks, Joanne, for sending us that email asking the question how to make 100% pure cherry juice. 1 ounce of cherry juice concentrate, which is 2 tablespoons of the tart cherry juice concentrate mixed with 7 ounces of water. That's going to give you a 100% pure glass of tart cherry juice concentrate, which is fantastic no matter what day of year it is, as well as offering the sediment-free, free flow guarantee, which is the only one in the industry, the Fruit Advantage cherry juice concentrate. Enjoy a glass of cherry juice with breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but best of all, enjoy a glass of cherry juice today. Thanks, and have a great day.